Hello everyone, welcome to Haiwell Classroom. Today we will introduce how to download project via USB flash. First, save the project as a USB flash run file. Click Project, and find the Generate USB Flash Run File option. Click OK, and save it to the USB flash drive. After the system pops up the Save Succeeded prompt, click OK. Eject the USB flash from your PC and plug it into the corresponding port on the HMI. After plugging it into the USB port, we click to Project. Then we can see there is a download project here. Click on USB, find the USB flash drive running file we generated. Then click OK. Okay, it's already downloading now. We are waiting for the download to be successful. We can see that it has now been restarted.
Welcome to Haiwell. Haiwell leading the new era of IoT.
Okay, our project has been downloaded. Tips: the USB flash must be FAT32 format, capacity 32 GB or less. This is the method for project download via USB flash drive. Thanks for watching. Haiwell leading the new era of IoT.